We've been inspecting this vehicle and I noticed that the screws on the hood have been adjusted. If you swerve around here with the camera, you'll notice that the paint on the screws has signs of being adjusted. This could be due to two different things. Either there was some kind of an accident and the hood was replaced, or it could be that there was slight misalignment either at the factory or afterwards, and the hood was adjusted by the dealership at the request of the consumer. I did not see any notes about this issue in the repair record, so we will go over this with the client to find out what really happened with the hood at some point if the client is aware of this.